Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today let me introduce you this, the Ultenic U20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. 55,000 Pascal suction power, 600 watt, and 60 minutes of run time each battery. Cordless vacuum cleaner with self-standing design. With a flexible banding joint, GreenEye technology, Anti-Tangle Floor Brush for hard floors, carpets, and of course, against animal hair. Energy Class 8 Triple Plus. We have here 55,000 Pascal, 600 watt, strong suction power. Experience through cleaning with that cordless vacuum cleaner. The 600 watt motor and the 55 kilopascal suction power effortlessly remove dirt, pet hair, and deep-seated particles from hard floors, carpets, and runners. We switch between three modes: floor, carpet, and turbo, via the LED display. That's perfect for daily dust or step-borne dirt. And we have Zero-Tangle Floor Brush. No more hair tangles. This SGS-certified brush for the cordless vacuum cleaner with 0% of tangle rate has an anti-clogging teeth and self-cleaning channel. This is either for pet hair, crumbs, and dirt on the carpets and hard floors. No stopping, no manual removal necessary. That's perfect for households with cats and dogs. And flexible banding joint, self-standing design. No more bending down or moving furniture. Because that vacuum cleaner here with a flexible suction tube effortlessly reaches hard to reach places under the sofas and beds. While the self-standing design saves space and keeps the vacuum cleaner always at hand. That's it for pet owners. And the really nice GreenEye technology. We discover hidden dust with laser precision. This cordless vacuum cleaner makes uncertainty, when cleaning the floor, impossible. It is for pet owners and allergy sufferers who need a deep clean out on all the floor's coverings. And 60 minutes of runtime and a 1.5 liter XXL dust container. Finally clean for a long time without interruption. The vacuum cleaner cleans with a load of over 200 of square meters and it collects 50% more animal hair and dirt. Perfect for large households with pets, where through the cleaning is essential. And 60 decibel ultra-silent operation. We enjoy powerful suction with only 60 dB. The cordless vacuum cleaner is ideal for noise-sensitive apartments, morning cleaning, or midday rest. It does not disturb sleeping children or pets. Thanks to the modern noise reduction, our home will stay clean without any noise pollution. Here it comes. That it is a nice thing. That is the really nice looking Ultenic brand. It's a top brand on Amazon. Ultenic is founded in 2021, specialized in the development of intelligent household applications with innovative technology, vacuum robots and vacuum cleaners, rods recommended by 200,000 users. The team of experts from research and development combines youth and experience that develops pioneering solution for the smart home. The advantage lies in the conversation on key components, from highly efficient motors to navigation algorithm, and those revolutionize household cleaning through the precision technology and intuitive design. In once, cleanliness and pets finally in harmony with over 55,000 PA. The hair of the animals disappeared, floors spotless. The floor brush tangle time. Designed for hair, powerful floors, perfect for pet owners, masters all dirt, clean carpets, hair, and dirt preferably, without problem of 100% effective. That means designed for animal hair, performance on carpets is 50% more. The tooth structure is to prevent entanglements on the base. The soft bristles are there to absorb fine particles, and the hard nylon bristles to pick up the hairs and get them into position. The turf test 99.58% absorption rate, and SGS test 0% entangled rate. Really cool. Silicone strips to beat and lift the dirt are on it. Of course, we have more. We have the GreenEye technology. Experience the clean lines like never before. Intelligent sensors discover the hidden pollution. Clean with the mind, not with thrash. No stain remains and behinds. With that GreenEye technology. And we have more. Self-standing design. We self-positioning construction, wherever, when just in use. It stands alone. No drilling or wall mounting is necessary for that, but it's included. Easily accessibility, easy to store, and every time ready to use. Ready for you. Flexible hose makes it more better. The flexible and the stuff where others do not dare. The ultra flexible hose avoids obstacles. It slips under furniture and in corners. A cleaner, hungry, withered. This is the Ultenic band, reach and clean. We have a display screen, 60 plus minutes of runtime, quiet with 60 decibel, and simply click on it. Easy peasy, as you can see. And 65cm flexible, further strong and cooler. This flexible tube can be up to 65cm band. That's 10 centimeters more than others on the market. And we have a big 7-stage filter system. 7-stage filtration, breath comfortably even while mounting. First comes lamellar, anti-tangle of the hairs. The second area is the separator. This separates of the coarse particles. When you have a metal filter, this keeps the hair into dust bag. Then we have the separation of the air and the dust on one level, then catching the coarse dust on. And the HEPA filter. This filters the dust particle of 0.3 microns, and a fine sponge retains the fine dust. And on top we have 1.5 liter capacity. The dust capacity, spacious containers, longer cleaning time, fewer interruptions. With that 1.5 liter dust container, they offers 50% more capacity to efficiently collect dust, dirt, and animal hair. Less emptying, more cleaning, baby. Most other on the market comes with an only half liter capacity. Here is 1.5 liter. That's a lot of more. And a long run time, 60 minutes of run time. The ground for 60, the carpet for 40, and the methods 15 up to 20 minutes in turbo mode. 200% jobs done, baby, with that. With this Ultenic U20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback in the hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.